Hi and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle a very common and useful task in Sharepoint, how to copy an existing custom list. Have you ever spent a lot of time setting up a list perfectly with all the right columns, views, and maybe even some formatting, and then realized you need another one just like it? Instead of rebuilding it from scratch, you can create a perfect duplicate in just a few minutes. This method saves the list as a template, which you can then use to create new lists with the exact same structure. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Sharepoint list that you want to copy. Once you're there, look for the settings gear icon, usually at the top right of your screen. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select List Settings. This will take you to the main configuration page for your list. On the Settings page, look under the Permissions and Management column for a link that says Save List as a Template. Click on that link. Now you'll see a new form. Here, you need to provide a few details. You'll give it a file name, and remember, this name cannot contain spaces. Then, you'll give it a template name. This is the friendly name you'll see when you're looking for your template later, so make it descriptive. You can also add a short description to remind you what the list is for. The most important choice on this page is a little checkbox labeled Include Content. This is a critical step. If you only want to copy the structure of the list, the columns, the views, the settings, then you should leave this box unchecked. However, if you want to create an exact clone of the list that includes all of the data and items currently in it, you must check this box. Once you've made your choice, click the OK button at the bottom. Sharepoint will process your request and you'll see a message saying the operation completed successfully. Great, you've now created your template. The next step is to use this template to create your new list. Go to your site's Site Contents page. You can usually find a link to this in the left-hand navigation. From Site Contents, click the New button and then select App. In the Your Apps or Add an App screen, you need to find the template you just saved. You can use the search bar and type in the template name you created earlier. Once you find your template, click on its icon. A box will pop up asking you to name your new list. Type in the name for your copied list and click the Create button. Sharepoint will take a few moments to build your new list from the template. After it's done, your new list will appear in Site Contents. Go ahead and click on it. You will see that it is a perfect copy, with all the same columns and views as the original. If you chose to include content, all your items will be there too. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully copied a Sharepoint list without any complicated tools. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And for more simple and effective tips like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future content.